Welcome to our exploration of a transformative trend in home design and technology, the rise of self-cleaning homes. In this video, we'll dive into the remarkable innovations that are making it possible for our living spaces to maintain pristine environments with minimal effort. From smart cleaning technologies powered by artificial intelligence to revolutionary advancements in self-cleaning surfaces and appliances, discover how these futuristic homes are shaping the way we live and interact with our environments. Join us as we unveil the cutting-edge solutions primed to redefine home maintenance and elevate our everyday lifestyles. 1. The rise of smart cleaning technologies. The concept of futuristic homes that clean themselves may sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's becoming a reality thanks to the rise of smart cleaning technologies. These technologies are designed to simplify our lives by automating mundane tasks. One of the most popular innovations is the robotic vacuum cleaner. These nifty gadgets can navigate around furniture, detect dirt, and even return to their charging stations when their batteries are low. According to recent statistics, robotic vacuum sales have surged by over 20% in the past year alone. This increase is attributed to their convenience and efficiency, making them a staple in modern homes. As more people embrace smart home devices, the demand for automated cleaning solutions is expected to continue growing. 2. The evolution of self-cleaning surfaces. Self-cleaning surfaces are another breakthrough in futuristic home technology. These surfaces are treated with special coatings that repel dirt, grime, and even bacteria. The science behind this involves nanotechnology, which creates a superhydrophobic layer that causes liquids and dirt to bead up and roll off. Imagine a kitchen countertop that never gets stained or a bathroom mirror that remains spotless without constant wiping. Researchers have found that these surfaces can reduce cleaning time by up to 40%, making them highly attractive to homeowners. As this technology advances, we can expect to see self-cleaning surfaces in more areas of the home, from windows to flooring. 3. The role of artificial intelligence in home cleaning. Artificial intelligence, AI, is playing a pivotal role in the development of futuristic cleaning solutions. AI-powered systems can learn and adapt to the specific cleaning needs of a home. For example, some smart vacuums use AI to map out the most efficient cleaning routes and avoid obstacles. They can even learn the layout of a home over time, becoming more effective with each use. Additionally, AI has been integrated into smart appliances like dishwashers and washing machines, optimizing water and energy usage while ensuring thorough cleaning. By leveraging AI, these devices can provide a personalized cleaning experience that caters to the unique requirements of each household. 4. Innovative air purification systems. Clean air is a crucial aspect of a healthy home environment, and innovative air purification systems are making it easier than ever to achieve. Modern air purifiers are equipped with sensors that detect pollutants in real time and adjust their settings accordingly. Some models even connect to smart home systems, allowing users to monitor air quality from their smartphones. The use of HEPA filters and activated carbon technology ensures that these purifiers can effectively remove allergens, smoke, and other harmful particles from the air. With indoor air pollution being a growing concern, these systems offer a proactive solution to maintaining a clean and healthy living space. 5. The future of self-cleaning toilets. Self-cleaning toilets are transforming bathrooms into more hygienic spaces. These toilets use advanced cleaning mechanisms, such as UV light and electrolyzed water, to sanitize the bowl after each use. Some models even feature built-in air deodorizers and heated seats for added comfort. The global market for smart toilets is projected to reach $8 billion by 2026, highlighting the increasing demand for these innovative fixtures. With their ability to reduce the spread of germs and bacteria, self-cleaning toilets are becoming an essential component of modern bathrooms. 6. Revolutionary laundry innovation. Laundry has always been a time-consuming chore, but futuristic homes are changing the game with revolutionary laundry innovations. Smart washing machines and dryers now come with features like remote control via smartphone apps, automatic detergent dispensing, and fabric-specific washing cycles. These appliances can even send notifications when a cycle is complete, ensuring that clothes are never left sitting in the machine. The integration of AI in laundry appliances allows for precise control over washing conditions, resulting in cleaner clothes with less effort. As these technologies become more widespread, doing laundry is becoming a hassle-free experience. 7. Advanced window cleaning robot. Cleaning windows is often considered a tedious and dangerous task, especially for high-rise buildings. However, advanced window cleaning robots are providing a safe and efficient solution. These robots use suction technology to adhere to glass surfaces and can navigate across windows while cleaning them with microfiber pads. Some models come with remote control options, allowing users to clean windows from the comfort of their homes. By eliminating the need for ladders and manual labor, window cleaning robots are making it easier to maintain sparkling clean windows year-round. 8. Smart kitchens with self-cleaning appliances. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, and smart kitchens with self-cleaning appliances are elevating this space to new heights. Smart ovens and stovetops now feature self-cleaning cycles that remove residue and grease without the need for harsh chemicals. Additionally, smart dishwashers can detect the level of dirt on dishes and adjust their cleaning cycles accordingly. These innovations not only save time but also reduce the environmental impact of cleaning by minimizing the use of water and detergents. As more homeowners seek eco-friendly solutions, smart kitchens are becoming a popular choice for those looking to embrace a sustainable lifestyle. 9. Automated pool cleaning system. Maintaining a clean pool can be a daunting task, but automated pool cleaning systems are revolutionizing the process. These systems use robotic cleaners that can scrub pool surfaces, vacuum debris, and even monitor water quality. Some models are equipped with smart sensors that detect algae growth and adjust cleaning settings to prevent it. With the ability to operate independently, these systems allow pool owners to enjoy crystal-clear water without the hassle of manual cleaning. As technology continues to advance, automated pool cleaning systems are becoming a must-have for anyone with a backyard oasis. 10. The impact of self-cleaning homes on lifestyle. The advent of self-cleaning homes is having a profound impact on lifestyle by freeing up time and reducing stress associated with household chores. With the burden of cleaning lifted, homeowners can focus on more meaningful activities, such as spending time with family or pursuing hobbies. The convenience of automated cleaning solutions is also contributing to improved mental well-being, as a clean and organized home environment is known to promote relaxation and productivity. As these technologies become more accessible, the dream of a self-cleaning home is becoming a reality for many, transforming the way we live and interact with our living spaces.